Encourage the victim to continue coughing. Keep a close eye on the victim. Ask a bystander to call 112. If you're alone, first try 5 back blows and 5 chest thrusts. Now support the victim with one hand on their chest and let them lean forward. Deliver up to 5 blows between the shoulder blades with the heel of the other hand. Try to get the object loose with each blow instead of giving 5 blows in a row. If you are unable to remove the foreign body with back blows while the victim is still conscious, try abdominal thrusts. Stand behind the victim, grasp the upper part of their abdomen and lean them forward. Make a fist and place it between the chest and the belly button. Grasp your fist with your other hand and pull your hands sharply in towards you, being careful not to put pressure on the sternum. If the airway obstruction has not been relieved and 112 is not called, call 112. Keep alternating back blows and abdominal thrusts. If the victim loses consciousness, start CPR immediately. After 30 chest compressions, give 2 breaths.